How to find your master key on Ari Wallet app in case you forget it. Now, the very important thing for you to be able to make or to complete the whole process once you are successful doing this is make sure that you fully memorize the email address associated with your Ari Wallet account and as well as your password. Retrieving your Ari Wallet um, master key is just very easy. Log in into your Ari Wallet account using your email address and password. Then at the top right hand corner, you should see three lines. Tap on that, and then just simply access your gear icon again at the top right for you to be able to go and show your Ari Wallet settings. So as you can see, there are two options here to change your password and to view your master key. For you to be able to view your master key, just simply tap on that and you will be asked to enter your password again. So that's the reason why I'm reiterating this that you need to fully memorize the ID or email or password that you have. Because if you don't, then you won't be able to retrieve or to locate your ARI master key. And that is how you find your master key on ARI Wallet app in case you forget it.